Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find digital balance. Let's tap on it. Let's tap on Start, Me, and OK, or your child, up to you. And as you can see, after managing that, we've got this graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it was 26 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then camera browser. You can tap inside this graph or on this graph, and you will be transferred to this dashboard, thanks to which you can check the how is it called? The exact time you've spent on particular apps. You can tap on last 7 days and you can simply compare different dates. Under it, you've got the list of apps you've been using with the exact time, the unlocks count, etc. So that's quite a cool option. You've got also the screen time management. So if you decide that you're spending too much time on the screen, you can set some kind of timers in which your device will limit the time or the app notifications, so you will be able to focus. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.